This video is for hubs with the grid-like pattern in them, and when you put the legs together, have the through bolts. If yours do not have through bolts, you'll want to watch the other video, which has the solid hubs. This will be the horizontal assembly for the SpinDoc. It can also be used in the vertical position with a spray shield. The first thing you'll need to do is get the two hubs for the leg setups. There's going to be one with 5 legs and one with 3 legs. We'll begin with the 5-leg hub. We're going to be placing 3 legs in a Y position on the hub. Utilizing only 3 of the spots, 2 will remain unused. You'll secure the lock bolts onto each one of the legs, making sure to include the washer on the bolt and then the nut. This does not need thread locker on it, as they are lock nuts themselves and already have a nylon ring in them to prevent them from vibrating loose. Once you get done with the last piece, which should make you a Y, you want to go through and with a pair of pliers and a Phillips screwdriver, you'll want to snugly tighten each one of the bolts so that they are on there firmly, creating and preventing any wobble on the legs. You'll want to complete this for the same on the other side of the legs, which is the 3-piece one. Once you have that, you'll take the shaft, put thread locker on the shaft connection, screwing it together completely. You'll take the 5-leg hub and notice that one side of the hole is smaller than the other. You'll thread it through the large nipple. Then you'll take the fender washer and Allen head screw and put those through the base of the hub. There is an Allen wrench included, which you can then tighten it down snugly. You can put thread locker on that if you choose. You'll then have completed both sections of the leg setup. You'll then take one of the red caps, which is the rectangle shape, and place it onto the hub shaft. Then take the filter, placing that onto the shaft, and then you'll take the second cap and place that on. You'll then need to take the spacer, which is a built-in thread on it, and you'll put that on top of the leg, which will keep it in place so that the filter does not wobble loose during a rotation. Now that you can take that in the vertical position and flip it over into the horizontal position, here's how to set up the spray shield. Setting it in the center of the spray shield with the 2 vertical legs, you'll take one side and wrap it around the foot peg and use the black bungee cord included. Do the same to the other side, making sure that it is tight and taut across so that the filter will still spin freely with inside the shield. And here's how it is in action. Using the spray nozzle, we begin spinning from the bottom and the right and slowly working our way across the filter, keeping the nozzle at about the same position, which will control the speed. You don't want to be going back and forth up and down on it, as it will change the water flow and it may become difficult to spin the filter. As you can notice, it will begin to spray and clean the filter, getting all the dirt and debris in the collection of the spray shield. As you move all the way to the end, you can then switch and go from the top and change the direction. If you want to do it vertically, you can do the same thing, but using the legs, and you'll connect it at the top with the bungee cords and sit it on top of the spray shield, and it will work the same way.